Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this NUBWO N7 headset. This is listed on Amazon for around $39. It started for around $30, then went down to $20, now $39. This is not unusual because it looks like every or almost every single headset has been increased in price recently during COVID-19. There seemed to be like almost a shortage or at least high demand. Of course, a lot of people are gaming now at home and they thought, yeah, it's a good time to increase the price and maybe it will go down afterwards. I have no clue, but this is nothing unusual, so it doesn't make sense to look around for other things which are now low in price, because everything else will be high in price as well. So the thing is, it has a 3.5 millimeter plug, and so it has also PC extension cable, so you can use either one plug or the two plugs. The one with the 4 pins or the two with the 3 pins. It has an inline control. They have even a website with some information, maybe support if you need. Here we have the specs. It's a little bit hard to read. Hope you can see that. Product features, and yeah, here the detailed number. I have to turn it around. Maybe you can see that. Of course, should be suitable for everything which has 3.5 millimeter jack. So the thing is, that's good and bad. Of course, the good thing is it has a wide compatibility. You can even use it on your phone if you still have 3.5 millimeter port. PS4, Xbox, PC, yeah, a lot of range, but it doesn't have the USB connection, so it is not like a Dolby surround. It can still have really good sound, but it doesn't have this Dolby surround thing. Yeah, you have to be just aware of that. I have been testing already quite some or a lot of 3.5 millimeter headsets, and a lot of them have been doing really good. So we cannot just say in general that USB headsets are much better. It doesn't have a lot to do with that apart from Dolby surround. So here we have some kind of instructions if you need that, but I mean there's not much to say about that. Yeah, package content here. Microphone or microphones. I think there's just one. I don't know why they write that. Some kind of technical overview. Hope you can see everything. PC, Mac, mobile setup. Yeah, there's probably not much to say. Xbox One setup. PS4 setup if you need to know that. Troubleshooting tips. Yeah, I'm not going to show all the things here. Customer service, maybe that could be something if you're interested. So that's it at the moment. So let's check what we get in the box here as well. Some kind of information probably from the company. And then the connection cable. Yeah, nothing special here. Here we have the 3 pins and the plug here and the 4-pin plug. Depending on what you have on your device, you can use either one. Here we have the mute button, and then we have a volume up and down. Looks like this is a pretty nice thing. I would say this is above average touch and feel quality. Nicely braided cable. So takes quite some time to take it out of the plastic. So, and here we are with the microphone. Yeah, nothing too special regarding style. I mean, it's beautiful. I think it's a really nice high-tech design. It has this nice flexible thing here for your head, but still the metal, I really like that. So this usually is a really solid design, which usually lasts quite long, comfortable, lightweight. It has this really super soft cushion here, as you can see. You can squeeze it quite a lot all the way around here. Yeah, it has this writing on top here, of course, because there's no USB, there's no light. You have to be aware of that. There's no fancy light, no blinking, no pulsing, no nothing. And of course the microphone is on the left side. There's nothing where you can put it to the other side. Sometimes you have microphone which you can put to the other side. So if you don't want to have it on the left side, sometimes people can use it then on the right side. I'm not one of these persons who prefer it on the right side. Left side is good for me. Maybe these are more like left-handed people or so. But it looks like the microphone, you can bend it nicely towards you or away from you, depending on if you have a problem like with pop effects or so. It has a nice decent cushion here as well, not too thick, but I think that could be decent. So I'm going to try everything. So I'm going to listen to nice sound, especially I'm trying to figure out how good the bass sound is. Yeah, and of course every other sound as well. I'm going to try it on for quite some time to figure out how comfortable it is, how the size is regarding the ears. Is it too heavy or is it otherwise uncomfortable? And of course I will definitely give you at least a short sound sample regarding the microphone, because for a lot of people the microphone is really important. Same thing for me. I mean, yes, if you are a gamer, then usually you want to use the microphone. I mean, some people have these external microphones, but not everybody wants to have these big things in front of you. And so I really like it when you have a really decent microphone. So I'm going to test everything and let you know after that. So I've been testing this NUBWO headset for a while, and I have to admit it's really a solid thing. Definitely it is really lightweight. It has a really super nice wearing comfort. I mean, especially for larger heads, you will be surprised. If you're looking for a decent, really comfortable headset for large head size, this could be the thing for you. I mean, my head size is around an L or even XL, and sometimes I'm having huge problems with a lot of headsets, and definitely not with this one. You can see you can make it super wide, and there's no big push on that. There's no big pressure on that. And what I really like is that the size here, I mean, that's we are talking about 50 millimeters size here of the speaker, and also the ear cups are really large. So even if you have larger ears, there's no problem that your ears fit fully inside. So the pressure is not on your ears, the pressure goes on your head, and there's not even a lot of pressure. It's really comfortable. It's light. I mean, yeah, regarding wearing comfort, it is really good. I would say it's around a 9 out of 10. The thing is, there is not much cushion here, but it is super lightweight, so there's not a lot of pressure on that. Maybe if you are bold, yeah, maybe you will feel it after 10 hours or so, but there's really not much. It's still really comfortable, and it adjusts to the head size really nicely. So this is one of the best things for larger heads, definitely. And also everything works pretty good. I mean, regarding the microphone, you can put it wherever you want. I had it first in front of the chin, then I put it a little bit on the side. So I think best is a little bit to have it on the side to avoid any kind of pop effect. And I had quite a good experience with the microphone, so it was maybe not best in class, but at least pretty close to, and definitely really useful. And I'm going to play that now for you. Audio test NUBWO N7 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you have been able to listen to that. I think it's really decent. You can definitely use that even for longer chat sessions, for gaming or whatever you want to use that. And the sound quality was also really good. Maybe also not best in class, but really good. I would say really decent. It has a really amazing deep bass sound and a wide range of spectrum. I mean, you can hear all the high pitch and also deep bass, everything. And of course I cannot let you listen to that, but I can definitely assure that the listening experience is also very good. So overall, very decent headset. I mean, I've been using only this 4-pin adapter on my phone. I haven't been using that on my PC because my PC really has problems with this adapter, but I don't have any doubt that this is going to work for the microphone and for the speaker. The good thing is we have the red one usually for the microphone and the green one for the speaker. Usually that works pretty good. When we look at the reviews on Amazon, most people are really happy with it. Some people are complaining regarding wearing comfort. I don't see these problems really. I cannot really find out what they are complaining about, and also stability. Some people were complaining about durability. I think it's really nice to have this metal bracket here, and the metal really goes uninterrupted to the ear cups, so this is as good as it gets, and no chance that will ever break somewhere around here where usually there's the weak point of a lot of headsets. Of course the cable here has to go across from here all the way down to this side, but I've seen similar setups and yeah, nothing really happens for years, so I don't see really these problems. But if you are not careful or throwing around your headset, yeah, I mean no headset will like that, but for me that looks everything really decent, really good quality. Also the thing I really like, that I've been trying to use the mute, that really worked, and the volume controller. I've been able to go from the highest settings to the lowest settings, and there was not even a bit of any kind of interference, so looks like this is really solid. And when you go all the way to the minus, that means it will be totally quiet. So can this microphone turn totally off, and also the speaker. So if you have to talk to somebody, maybe somebody's approaching you from your family, you can easily turn everything off, and you should be able to listen or talk to other people. I think, yeah, passive noise cancelling maybe is not top. Maybe it's just maybe a 7 out of 10. It's probably not a 10, yeah, passive noise cancelling, but it has also positive aspects. If you are able to still talk to other people, yeah, why not? I mean, if you want to cut you totally off from anything else, maybe you have to go with another headset. But apart from that, I think this is really good. This is solid. This is for the price, really nice headset, and I'll put down the link into the description so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.